Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am doing a review today on my new yoga wheel. I've been doing a lot of yoga lately, just trying to balance my life. No pun intended, just kind of balance my work, life, fitness life with my work life, trying to balance it all and work on my balance as well. So maybe puns intended. But so a friend of mine saw that I was, starting to get into yoga and sent me this yoga wheel. And it is a asana yoga wheel, but it is made by this company, URBNfit. So that's where it came from, URBNfit yoga wheel. So I will show you guys. I have already started to use this, you guys, and if you haven't already, go check out that video where I posted just like 3 different routines that I did with this yoga wheel. I will say I love it already, and that's how I can do a review on it, because I have already tried it. My English is a little off today, but so here goes, you all. It is lightweight and portable, and that it is. I just throw it in my car and I'm good to go. It can support up to 440 pounds, you guys, and it has the foam grip, which I'll show you, and then it's non-toxic PVC pipe. So again, it's the Asana yoga wheel from URBNfit, and I think I'm going to try this today. I'm gonna try it out today, you guys. So let's open it and show you guys what's in the package. What's packaged in there. It's really simple, you guys, and that's what I love about companies like this, right? They don't try to make it too complex and this whole bunch of CDs and all the gadget. It's a yoga wheel. So here it is, you guys, and this is the foam grip I was telling you about. So the foam grip, and again, it's non-toxic PVC pipe. It's made by URBNfit. Strong, sturdy, stable, and it's a wheel. It's gonna roll, so it's forced to help you with your balance and stability. So but I love it. It feels like it's made with quality made, and the foam grip on here I think is actually pretty good as well. Again, I've used it a couple times. So let's see what else is in this package in here. And like most of these workout gadgets do, just some examples of different exercises that you can do. I've already tried a few of these. Let's see, I've done that one, I've done that one, and I am going to, I'll probably try this. I'll definitely try that one. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm pointing at, but I'm definitely going to try this one today. This has been challenging me, you guys. I will tell you, it's just something different for me. I usually don't do yoga. I'm more of a high intensity. I'm a sprinter, right? So I'm into this high intensity type of workout because they have been effective for me, and as a personal trainer, they have been quite effective for my clients to gain results in, it doesn't take too long. You burn fat and burn in calories in a short period of time, and you can optimize your time when you're doing these high intensity workouts. But I have just been so busy at work, and work has been really stressful, and I don't want to burn myself out and overdo it. So I've decided the past few weeks that I'm going to challenge myself to some yoga, and I want to teach myself yoga. I want to be creative. That's what this has done for me. This wheel is to help me be more creative with coming up with ideas. I may start with something that I see on online or on one of these little pamphlets or something, but as I get into it, my ideas just start flowing. And that's what I love about fitness. Fitness is is, you know, being creative and just move. As long as you're moving, you know, who says you have to, you know, do burpees this particular way, or you have to do your push-ups this particular way? As long as you have good form and you're moving your body and you're engaging those muscles and you're, you know, putting some resistance to it, whether it's body weight or you know, weights or whatever, you're getting your ass up and you're moving, and you know, you're burning calories and, you know, burning fat, and you're staying in shape, and you're getting overall health and overall fitness. So this belt I also came in the package, and I think this, you can actually put this around the wheel as an extension, or may extend it a little bit for beginners. I call myself a beginner because I just never do yoga, I'm assuming, and, you know, help with certain stretches and so forth as an extension until your flexibility is kind of where you need it to be. So I haven't really used this, and probably won't, but you know, I'll maybe one day. But I've just been working with the wheel itself. So this is all, you guys, this is all that was in the package. Let's see, another piece of paper here, and this is lifetime warranty, free lifetime warranty, and I'm going to take them up on this, because, you know, a lot of times these places advertise something and you have to buy something else or whatever, but this says you can upgrade to a lifetime warranty for free. Just register at this URBNfit.com/warranty, and the fine print, all products come with 1-year warranty. Upgrading is optional. That, to me, I think doesn't make any sense. If you're going to do it for free, why don't you just do a free 1-year warranty? Why do I have to take the extra step to go onto your website? You know, that's just, but whatever. It's not, it doesn't mean the product is not great, and it doesn't mean I don't love it. It's, I just don't really get that. You know, that's just me as someone who's, you know, in customer service. And you know, I mean, to me, if you're going to give someone something, just give it to them. Like, you know, why would you tell them to go sign up for something that you're giving for free anyway? Give me 1 year, but if you want to have a lifetime, you have to go sign up and probably subscribe, you know, to my whatever it is, their website and their newsletter, and get spam emails or whatever. But not a big deal. I mean, I'm making it into something that it really isn't. I'll probably do it just to see. But I love my wheel, and thank you to my friend for my wheel. It's simple, you know, like I say, it's easy, it's portable, and it's challenging for me because I don't consider myself to be overly flexible. I think I'm moderately flexible, and I think my balance is pretty good, but this is definitely helping my balance. It's definitely helping with my strength. I can feel the definition in my upper body, my core, and even my legs to a degree, you know, as I use this baby right here. So thank you guys for tuning in, you all. If this is your first time checking out my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I've already done a video, you know, with 3 different routines that I've done with this wheel, so go ahead and check it out. And it's, I think I posted it a few days ago, so go ahead and check that out. But I give this a thumbs up, you guys. I love it. I love, you know, I've used it now for 3 days, and I like it. It's challenging for me. I love a challenge. You know, I can't really go out and do what I want to do and high intensity workout just because work is taking up more of my time. So as of now, this is what I will be using, you guys, my Urban Fit yoga wheel. So thumbs up for me. If you want to challenge yourself, go ahead and give it a try, you all. Go ahead and I will put the link in the description below to their website, and you can go directly. I'm not selling for them. This is a gift to me, and whenever I find a product that I like, that work for me, I am all about sharing it. It doesn't cost me anything to put out, you know, a video and tell you guys how much I like something. So until next time, y'all, get your ass up and move, y'all.